Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Coinbase wallet and buy your first crypto, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Coinbase wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app after it's installed. On the welcome screen, tap Get Started to begin the setup process. Select Create a new wallet to set up a new account. You will be prompted to create a secure wallet password. Choose a strong, unique password for your wallet and enter it. Next, the app will prompt you to back up your wallet using a recovery phrase. Write down the recovery phrase exactly as it appears on the screen. Keep this phrase safe, as it's crucial for accessing your wallet in the future. Once you've noted the recovery phrase, confirm it by entering it in the app. After the phrase is confirmed, your wallet is now created. You'll be taken to the wallet's main screen. To buy cryptocurrency, tap on the Buy button. You may be prompted to link a payment method if you haven't already. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your payment method securely. Once linked, return to the Buy section and select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you'd like to buy. Review the transaction details, including fees. If everything looks good, confirm the purchase to complete the transaction. Your newly purchased cryptocurrency will now appear in your wallet. Explore the wallet features to familiarize yourself with sending and receiving crypto. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Coinbase wallet and bought your first cryptocurrency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.